Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Layers with Laughter and share with you all easy hot and sweet prawns recipe. And for that we need prawns which I've already cleaned and washed with vinegar and water to get rid of unpleasant smell. For the marination we need soya sauce, pepper powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, cornflour and all-purpose flour and 1 egg. So I'm marinating prawns with pepper powder, salt, ginger garlic paste and soya sauce. Now mix everything well. To this I'm gonna add all-purpose flour and corn flour. And 1 egg. I'd already cracked open an egg in a bowl just to make sure that the eggs were not corrupted or spoiled before using it. Now mix everything well and keep the prawns marinated for around 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator. If in hurry, then at least half an hour. Okay, so for the sauce mixture we need ketchup. This is hot and sweet tomato ketchup, good quality Schezwan sauce, soya sauce, chopped garlic, pepper powder, sugar to balance the taste. Here I'm gonna heat some oil in a wok to deep fry the prawns. Once the oil is heated, turn the flame to low to medium and then deep fry the prawns. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes for each batch of the prawns to get fried. I will double fry the prawns later before I add them in the hot and sweet sauce mixture. Right, so it's time to remove the prawns fritters in the plate. You all can even have this prawn fritters with cocktail sauce or tomato ketchup. It tastes amazing. I have shared the recipe of this prawns in the description box below and also shared the link to my Instagram food blog page. So do follow me there. Alright, so the prawns are done. Time to make the hot and sweet sauce mixture. Right, so heat some oil in a saucepan. Once the oil is heated, add in chopped garlic. Saute it for around 30 to 40 seconds. Turn the flame to low. And now add in Schezwan sauce, hot and sweet tomato ketchup. You can even use the sweet tomato ketchup. This is soya sauce and pepper powder. I didn't use salt as the sauces have salt in it. Add in sugar to balance the taste. This is cornflour to which I'm going to add water and make a slurry of it. Right, so it's ready. Time to put the slurry in the sauce. Cook the sauces till you get the perfect thick consistency. So this looks perfect now. Time to off the flame. Now here I'm going to double fry the prawns on high flame until it turns crispy. Here I've on the flame of the sauce mixture just to reheat it before I add the prawns. Alright, so it has started to bubble. So here's the time for the prawns to meet the hot and sweet sauce mixture. Make sure that the prawns are well coated with the sauces. I will finish the dish with sesame seeds, the white one, and some spring onion greens. Mix everything well. Alright, so the tasty, hot and easy hot and sweet prawns recipe is ready. So do give this recipe a try, and if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Layers with Love. And also I request you all to suggest me recipes which you all want me to make it. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.